Hi, I'm Hala, founder of Dietapplements, talking to you from Royal Tunbridge Wells, Kent. I know how overwhelming nutrition can feel when you're busy, being a parent, running a household and an office, and just trying to stay afloat in day-to-day life. I'm that person. But sometimes the smartest choices are also the simplest. I want to tell you why we added vitamin K2 to vitamin D3 in this supplement. We also have vitamin C here in this formula to help support your immune system and bones. We made sure all the ingredients are pure, clean label in a vegetarian capsule. No fillers, no bulking agents, no additives, nothing, no junk. You take one capsule a day, which means we have here 4 months supply. It's made in a GMP-certified facility right here in the UK. Now, the relationship between vitamin D and K. We know that vitamin D helps with calcium absorption. Both vitamin D and calcium are very important for our bones, especially if we're spending more time indoors. But what often gets overlooked is that vitamin D doesn't work alone. Think of vitamin D as a nutrient that helps your body absorb calcium, but once that calcium is absorbed, vitamin K2 guides calcium to where it's actually needed, your bones. And this bone maintenance becomes more important as we age, especially for us women. That's why it's a smart choice to take vitamin K with vitamin D. This combination matters. When we developed this supplement, we didn't just throw nutrients together. We asked what makes sense biologically, what helps these ingredients work better together. If you're looking for a vitamin D formula that's grounded in science, this complex has balanced, well-researched dosages of vitamin D, K, and C to help support your immune system and bones. Lastly, the last bit, this supplement is not a replacement for a varied, balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. As usual, I would encourage you to get your vitamin K from food. It's found in fermented foods like natto, some aged cheeses, and some animal products like egg yolks and liver. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you later.